Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail like Tonde Gamer. Tonde Gamer is one of the most popular gaming YouTubers, and his thumbnails are amazing. They grab your attention and make you want to click on the video. The second step is to add text to the image. You need to choose a font that is easy to read and fits your video's style. You can use Photoshop, Canva, or any other photo editing software to add text to the image. You need to make sure that the text is large enough to be visible on a small thumbnail. The third step is to add graphics to the image. You can use icons, emojis, or any other graphic element that fits your video's style. You need to make sure that the graphics are relevant to your video and don't clutter the thumbnail. The final step is to save the thumbnail. You need to save the thumbnail as a JPEG or PNG file. You also need to make sure that the file size is less than 2 megabytes. Color grading is the process of adjusting and enhancing the colors in an image or video to achieve a particular look or mood. Lightroom is a powerful tool that can help you achieve a wide range of color grading effects, from subtle adjustments to bold and dramatic looks.